pumpkin seeds in cauldron.
And when you're done,
you guys. What's up, wonderful, amazing, sweet, and lovely people? How you all doing today? Hope you all have an amazing day today. Open up best to your joy. Welcome to Maryam's Joyful Life. Today is a beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining us. You guys are so amazing, amazing, amazing. Still clapping. So Taylor's about to do something right now. What are you about to do?
make some pumpkin seeds and carve a pumpkin, I guess.
So he's about to carve a pumpkin, and you guys are going to be a part of it, and it's going to be showing you guys how to do it, you guys. Look at this. Y'all are going to be learning something new
First, I'm
today.
just making an area where I can get messy.
Yeah. Because that's usually what you do when you're making pumpkin.
It's a messy job.
It's very messy. You gotta have a surface where you can do all that stuff. So Taylor's over here
We got a slip proof here.
getting the table ready for the pumpkin.
Just do like this. Hiya, hiya. See ya. How's y'all doing today? So, make a little. Oh yeah, this pumpkin safe. Total pumpkin blockage. Here. I don't move. Okay. In a bowl. Two bowls.
Two bowls.
No, Le'Veon, I just want to watch them.
One of the seeds.
I'm just watching y'all. Sit down. I'm just watching them, Le'Veon. Stop.
Le'Veon, you can come down here too if you want to look.
I've already seen my gill pumpkin.
Oh,
We're
here's
ready to see how you do it. Yeah.
This is the amazing Tayler show.
The amazing pumpkin Tayler show.
Hello, everyone. This is the amazing Tayler show. Be careful.
So first we will cut the top. Ooh, come on. No one's knocking on the door.
You're the one who's knocking on the door.
First, I always like to just cut the top open.
So it's down. I
I want to make it nice and wide so you can get all
I want to watch Le'Veon. So are you gonna make some pumpkin seeds?
Yes.
Le'Veon, look. Now close your eyes.
He's doing it in a circular motion. Wow.
Beautiful lid.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness.
No,
This-
don't eat that.
It wasn't me.
It's not good. So I'm just gonna put all the
No, you should keep.
guts in one thing for now.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, clean lid there. Ta-da.
Are we gonna call the pumpkin this Halloween?
Now the gooey part.
Now he's
Take the
gonna.
eye wash off.
That's right.
It's like a
And the
cauldron.
bracelets.
It's like a pumpkin cauldron.
Yeah, there's some light in here.
It's like a pumpkin cauldron.
It is. That's what it's gonna be until somebody carves it. And then I guess I didn't need the big knife for that. And I just like to use the
Ice cream scoop.
ice cream scoop. Or big spoon, if you will.
Yeah. Just scoop out the gut.
Down.
Scraping and scooping.
No. Okay, close your eyes. No, close
I like
your
to get a good
eyes.
scoop scrape in there
I did it.
first.
Close your eyes.
makes it easier to pull out.
Saw that. No, you didn't.
I saw that.
No, close your eyes.
Scrape it all up in there.
Ooh, look at that.
All the seeds. So I want to put the seeds over here. So we'll start a seedling bin over there. Eat all the guts. I hate pumpkins. They're gross. I like the smell of raw pumpkin. That's weird, huh?
You hate pumpkins because they're gross, but you like their smell. Dave, I don't know.
The raw pumpkin smell.
The raw pumpkin smell.
This a raw pumpkin.
It's a raw pumpkin. This is what Cinderella wrote in.
This is like a cauldron. First ingredient in the cauldron is pumpkin
Man,
seeds.
getting all the seeds out of there.
I'm gonna make pumpkin seed
Make a nice
soup.
platform on the bottom
So
for a
people
candle.
can try which can.
And I think that the more guts you get out, the better. I'll get every one of them seeds out. So I'm gonna be making them into a snack. Looks like we got all the seeds. Yeah, we'll clean it up a little better. And that's it. And then we got the thing ready for carving. So, do we want to carve it now or do we want to carve it later tonight?
You can carve it now. What do you want to do? Do it like a jack-o'-lantern face or a...
Pumpkins.
Okay. All right, guys, look at this.
Look how much pumpkin seeds we got out of one pumpkin. Which is, good amount of snacking time.
That's right.
Normally, I would get like pumpkin for each kid.
Oh, big. Okay.
And then we'd have a bunch, because once you try these snacks, you're gonna want more.
Babe, if we like it, we'll go buy another. We'll go buy 2 more. Right?
Yeah.
If we like it, we're gonna go buy 2 more. I don't know if we're gonna like the pumpkin seed. I've never tried it
You
before.
don't know if you're gonna like them?
I don't know. I've never tried it before.
She doesn't know about pumpkin seeds. She's
I don't. Do you guys, if you know about pumpkin seeds, comment below.
Especially homemade, man. They're the best.
Comment below and let us know if you know about pumpkin seeds, because we don't. I've never tried it. The kids have never tried it, so this is gonna be the first time.
All right, off to the kitchen we go.
Babe, do you wanna carve the face on the pumpkin? You wanna do a face on it?
I'm not very good at carving, but I can give it a shot.
Okay, see, Zoe brought a marker that you can just draw a face and then use it. Zoe, bring that marker over here.
Well, let's do a happy face. Like,
Happy face?
yeah. Like the triangle.
Angry face.
The triangle or eyes. Draw the triangle.
eyes.
Yeah, triangle eyes.
Okay.
And then what kind
And
of...
then triangle nose.
Yes.
That's not what happy pumpkins look like.
The mouth is gonna be the one that shows happy though.
And then smiley face.
Yeah.
That doesn't look like a normal happy face.
It's a pumpkin, Zoe.
And then we will have one tooth on there.
Yeah, two. You want to put one in the middle? Okay.
2 teeth.
Oh my
I
god.
feel like 2 teeth is fine, yes.
Oh my god, that looks so creepy. I don't like that.
2 teeth.
The 2 teeth are perfect. Everything is perfect. So now all we gotta do is cut.
That looks really creepy.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's so amazing since you already like gutted it out. Carving it should not be a big thing. Ooh, see, that just fell out. Perfect, you guys. Look at that.
Looks like mango.
I know.
Did you?
Do you think some people eat raw pumpkin?
I don't know.
I don't
wouldn't
even
be
know.
surprised.
Yeah, I mean, I would be. Because pumpkins don't even smell like something. Raw pumpkins don't smell like something you'd want to eat raw.
They smell good.
I know, but it's just, I don't know, maybe it's just yuck
But
to
they're
me.
disgusting. Trust.
That you've tried it and
Pumpkin
it's,
pie is disgusting. Pumpkin lattes are disgusting. Pumpkins are disgusting.
just the seed.
Seeds, delicious. Don't judge me on my pumpkin skills, because
Look at that.
I don't have any. Give it a little more light to get in there. There we go.
Look at that.
This side too.
Usually a happy pumpkin doesn't have a nose, but this looks like a very .exe pumpkin. It looks like a Jeff of .exe pumpkin.
Sit down.
It looks like a evil pumpkin.
So you gotta sit down so we can do this. You're over here just judging it. We're not gonna carve it, but we just did so you guys will have fun with it. Now you're over here judging it.
I said don't judge me.
I'm going to judge you. Ooh, because it looks good so far.
I think Taylor's pumpkin skills are great.
Ta-da.
That looks really nice, baby. You give yourself less credit than you
So
deserve.
wait, could you please sit down?
I used to do
and
intricate
see?
pumpkin carvings. It took like 3
We
hours.
should move
Oh, wow.
to the side.
Carving kids and the mini knives and like
Should move to
cats
the
and the moon
side.
knight and stuff.
Oh wow, that's
This
wonderful.
is the basic third grader stuff for me. But that's all we're doing. Because I am in the third grade today.
Yay!
And don't be doing this unless you have your parents around with a knife.
Yeah. Look at this.
I like it. It looks pretty cute.
It's not cute, it's evil.
You look happy.
Yeah,
I think the two teeth at the top makes it look evil.
it looks cute.
He just got back from the dentist, so what?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, it's already glowing like in the sun.
Yeah, it's because the sun is reflecting in it.
Alright. We don't have any candles, huh?
We do, but not the type of candle I think you put in there. You put regular candle in
You do
there?
a preview with the one that you have in your room.
Okay. That one is down here, I think. Let me light it up. Let me light it up and bring it
Our
over.
venom.
Or we can just wait till it's nighttime.
I'm gonna name
You guys
this.
think should we wait till it's nighttime
No.
and enjoy the pumpkin seeds while we light it? Or just do a preview right now
Do it.
and light it later tonight when we go to Walmart and get some candles.
Yes.
I will name this pumpkin Orange.
Orange.
Yes.
Al the orange pumpkin.
Yeah, because it is orange. Yeah, I'm good. Should I give the pumpkin a he or a she?
No, it kind of looks like a he.
I think it's going to go as
Got
a.
one seed.
I think it's gonna go as a she.
So now, should we give a little preview?
I think this
Got a
is
lighter?
gonna go
Okay,
as a
lit.
she.
Drop it in there.
Yeah, please adjust the candle itself.
Drop it in there the whole time.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright, you
Ooh, turn the light
guys.
up, dude.
Turn the light off and show them this.
See if you even can see it. Yeah, a little bit.
Some people,
Oh yeah, it's you can see it. You guys look at that.
some people don't usually put the whole candle in there.
We need little teacup candles.
Oh really?
Yeah, they're like 99 cents at Walmart. Because there's not enough light in there. See how it's hidden in there?
Yeah.
Looks
Yeah.
good though, for what it is so far.
We don't need to have this whole
Because
candle.
the teacup candles just have all flame.
Oh flame, yeah.
So one little tiny candle like
What
one
light
thing.
is it? Oh, that maybe we should do that. Get it from Walmart.
Alright.
That looks really good. The next thing we need to do now is what? Cook. What?
For the kitchen.
Go to the kitchen so the guys can see that. Do you need like something to filter it out? Put it down here. You guys can see you.
Any questions about this part?
Because I'm not eating those pumpkin seeds.
Zoe's already saying she's not gonna eat the pumpkin seeds. There you go, baby.
This needs eyebrows. It needs eyebrows.
Oh, you wanna use that one? Okay.
Some salt.
It looks very plain. It looks plain. Go away.
Let me add some salt.
It can't be only scary. It needs to be very scary. It can't be only scary. It has to be other things. That pumpkin just
And
looks.
boil it in for a few minutes with salt water just to infuse the salt in
The
it.
salt flavor in it. Okay.
It makes it better.
Taylor, that pumpkin looks very plain, and I guess we need it to get it in its regular look, like
Yeah.
eyebrows or
And
something. I
see.
will make the pumpkin like mine.
This is like, put this in the oven, right?
Yeah.
Then we'll just spread them across this thing and bake them for about 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes on 400.
Okay.
So I'll preheat the oven for that. And then, I'm sure that was a baking sheet.
That works. That is fine. It's a non-stick.
In case it sticks, I'm gonna rub it just a little bit of oil.
It doesn't stick. That's why that thing is on there, because it doesn't stick. Yeah. But if you want to put oil, that's fine too.
Tiny bit. Okay.
I need to add it to my brows. Eyebrows.
Freaking coolest thing. Yeah. I don't know where you got this, but
Same.
Timo? And this thing is good. It's like precise and it's powerful too. Pretty cool. I'm just gonna rub that on there. bring this to a boil for about 2 minutes. And we'll strain them out again, throw them in the oven, and season them, which use mixture, garlic, herb, a little bit of salt in my mixture. Make whatever you want. You can make cinnamon and sugar ones. You can make spicy, hot, sweet, whatever you want.
That's amazing.
So I'm gonna make savory ones, usually what I make.
So you guys remember, this is gonna be a fun Halloween activity to do with your spouse and your older
if you've
kids.
never had pumpkin seeds, man, they're a tasty snack.
That's awesome.
And like I said, normally I got a big old pot of them, and so this will be a trial run for the family. They're gonna love them. We're gonna be at Walmart getting another pumpkin. Plus this kind of gives them like a little pre-cook. Plus the baking process, kind of baking right through.
Boiling.
After boiling it for about 2-3 minutes, strain them all out. Then I'm going to put it back into the bowl here. The salt. And a little bit of garlic and herb. Yeah. Mix it up. In the oven we go.
Alright. How long are they in the oven for?
Depending on the seeds, these are pretty small, so they could go up to 20 minutes for the big seeds.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do 5 minutes and stir them around, and then
Okay.
5 more minutes. Probably like 10 to 15 minutes.
Alright, guys.
This size.
We'll see you in 10 minutes, guys. Alright, you guys, so we're cleaning this up.
I just throw the pumpkin chunk in the middle of it. And then putting the plastic down super fast. Quick and easy. It'll take
We got the pumpkin seed right there. Another way.
super easy, quick.
The gunk,
done.
yeah.
The table,
The table is clean.
carved pumpkin. No mess, no stress. Probably 10 minutes, it's pretty wet. Take them out and I'll stir them around a little bit. So Still really moist. And I'll spread it back out again. Do 5 more minutes.
This looks very good. Okay.
Alright, remember it's a hot pan, don't burn yourself.
Oh, this glue dry.
Go back in for about 6-7 more minutes, then it should be done. They're kind of like cookies when you bake them because you gotta kind of watch them because that point where they're like cooked, you overcook them really fast.
Oh wow.
So you gotta pay attention to them. It's like cookies. And when you're done, get these crispy, crunchy, yummy pumpkin seeds. Whichever way you want to flavor them. Like I said, I chose garlic, kind of savory. You try one, Zoe?
Let me see.
Just try one and eat it. They're crunchy.
Let's see.
All right, you guys. Taylor's done, and I'm sure he's shown you guys how they look. Look at this. They look really good, and they're really tasty too. So, Zoe, you want to try these?
You tried them?
Come tell the guys what you think.
You said they were like barbecue seeds.
All right, show the guys.
They're good.
You like them?
Yeah.
Where's Levion? Go get Levion and have Levion try it too.
Love you guys.
All right, you guys. So
It's a good healthy snack too.
yeah, pumpkin seeds. So let me try this. Oh yeah.
Let's try this.
Good, huh?
Mhm.
And they got a very light flavor on them. I like to kind of bring up the natural pumpkin
Mhm.
seed flavor that they have.
I didn't know that you could just eat them like that and you don't have to peel. Like cornflower seeds, you have to peel them before you
I
can
don't
eat
think
them.
there's anything inside of them. I guess there is.
There is something inside of them.
Yeah, you don't. There's no way to peel them. You just eat them.
I think you can. There you can. You can peel them if you want to, and you can eat them that way if you want to.
I've never. That would take you forever to have one bite.
Yeah. We're eating it like this too.
That's why you bake them the way you do, so you can eat the shells.
Mm-hmm. The sauce tastes good. Maybe it is great. This is my first time eating pumpkin seeds, and they taste good.
You can buy them at the store too.
Yeah. Mmm. But then you want to get Levion to try it. This is delicious. Thanks, babe. You just thought of something new. So you guys just learned something new.
You're welcome.
Make sure you subscribe, you like, come back for more. Wow.
The treat test comes with Levion.
Levion!
He's a food critic.
Yes.
And he's very honest.
Well, Levion is over here now.
It's delicious.
Yay!
You did it, babe. If Levion can say it's delicious, then you did it. Oh, wow. Look at him. He's eating even a few more. That's amazing. Look at those who are eating it. Wow. Wow, babe. You really killed it with this one.
Very good.
You really killed it with this one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you try it at home. Make your own flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to like, subscribe. And also, don't forget, Maryam's Joyful
Live,
luxuryvacation.com.
Yeah.
Try that again. Maryam's Joyful Life, luxuryvacation.com. Send it anywhere around the world. You can be
Can I have
eating
some cheese puffs,
pumpkin
Mama?
seeds and Tahiti if you want. Anyway, I hope you have a good day. See you later.
Like, you guys, I wanted to show you guys this right here. Wow.
His name's Jack.
No.
Last name Landon.
That looks
a
real nice.
sheep.
Classic Jack.
Classic Jack, Jack-o'-lantern. Nice.
That's how we do it.
Good. We carved the pumpkin, so we have it over here. You want to come see me, Suzanne?